Only 1% can get them all right. In this video, we'll guess all the capitals of Africa. The quiz is divided into 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. You have 3 seconds for each country. Let's start.
Welcome to the world of questions and play, where knowledge and fun meet every day. Open your mind, get ready to choose. A simple question, nothing to lose. From ancient times to the modern age, every answer writes a brand new page. Flags that wave and stories untold, secrets of the future, lessons of old. Think a little faster, trust what you know. The clock is ticking, let your wisdom show. World quiz, it's time to begin. Test your mind, let the challenge in, and play. Grow step by step, every right answer earns respect. Countries, capitals, colors, and names. History, culture, memory games. Easy or hard, one thing is true. Every single question strengthens you.